Happy holidays, and if you've got a minute, we can make this. It's festive, refreshing, and delicious. This cranberry wreath is a must for the holidays. Here's what you'll need. Just a few ingredients: cream cheese, shredded coconut, whipped topping, 2 cans of whole cranberry sauce, and a secret ingredient, Miracle Whip. It adds a smooth and creamy texture. In a bowl, add the softened cream cheese, the Miracle Whip, and just a bit of sugar. Mix it together and then fold in the whipped topping until the mixture is creamy and lump-free. Now add some coconut, the cranberries, and walnuts and mix until well combined. If using a springform pan, line it with plastic wrap and then cut a hole in the cellophane and press down. Fill the mold with the cranberry mixture and freeze until hardened. You could make mini molds too for individual servings. When frozen, lift off the mold and place on a serving platter. I'm adding a glass bowl to the center and filling it with cranberry sauce. This wreath is as festive as can be and a great dish as a frozen side salad or dessert. Happy holidays and feast well. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.